believe playing 100 test matches for me was the biggest thing. मैंने प्रण लिया था जब मैं खेलना शुरू किया था कि मैं कपिल देव जैसा बनूंगा, और उनके जैसा तो कोई नहीं बन सकता, लेकिन एटलीस्ट 100 टेस्ट मैचेस खेलने का सोचा था। और ये सोच पहले मेरे में आई, लेकिन मैंने ये दुआ करी थी अपने लिए, भगवान से ये मांगा था, और मेहनत बहुत करी, लेकिन उसकी मर्ज़ी के बिना पत्ता नहीं हिलता है। और God has been so kind. I got to play 100 test matches and I'm in that elite group of playing 100 test matches. I'm sure किसी के लिए भी बड़ी प्राउड वाली मोमेंट होती है 100 मैच भारत के लिए खेलना, और वो भी टेस्ट मैचेस। आज की डेट में कितने लोग खेल पाएंगे आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज T20 is all over the place. But I think people who are technically sound, they will still rule, not just in test cricket, even in this shorter format of the game.
So, Harbhajan, where is Test cricket going to go? Because now T20, you're seeing full houses. You're seeing the. I'm also. I went to Europe as a chief guest, and they were playing T10. 36 countries, European countries, were playing T10. So I mean, I can see it going in that way. So where does Test cricket stand? Because you've been as a commentator also abroad, everything. Where do people look at it? How do they look at Test cricket?
In my view, if I was part of the committee, I would make a strong recommendation that Test cricket should be the priority. Because that is where you get the best cricket and the cricketers and the best competition you can see. The game lasts for 5 days, and every day the challenge becomes different from day 1 to day 5th. Obviously, a lot of things happen on the pitch, and of course, accordingly, people need to change their game mindset and adopt to those conditions and come out as a winner. So I think if I was part of the committee, ICC, BCCI, I would tell them to make sure that to save Test cricket, we have to have more Test cricket, and to make sure we play on better wickets. That Test cricket lasts for 5 days, not just 2.5, 3 days. And it is up to all of us who are ambassadors of this game to save this beautiful game. And the only way we can save this, that if we can have 5th day, the game going on to the 5th day. You see the Ashes, you see some of the top series, they still attract a lot of people to come over and watch the game. And we can do the same here in India. When India-Australia plays, why are we finishing games in 2.5, 3 days? We need to make sure we produce those kind of pitches where, everybody is in the game and the match goes on to the 5th day. So for me, Test cricket should be the priority for